The Joule Thief circuit with eternal light has been introduced by us on the Ultimate Energizer Guide blog. However, many other studies on the Joule Thief circuit have not presented a circuit diagram to generate energy for the entire house. Most of them are educational circuits, aiming to prove that free energy exists. In fact, creating a Joule Thief circuit box with modern electronic components can create a high power source. This is a technique that many engineers hide as a technological secret. The circuit that generates regulated pulses to charge the battery bank is still the simplest. The output is stable by the battery bank in the inverter. The power box I introduced can be taken on trips, picnics, or used in emergencies. And I have further improved it to become a power box that charges the battery bank from only 14 AA Digimax 2850 batteries. This is a small battery with a rechargeable current. So, with 14 batteries, it will silently charge the battery bank, and the energy stored is enough for the whole family to use for many years. The battery bank that I calculated in the diagram is about 20. You should use cheap lead-acid batteries, and pour rainwater to replace the acid when it is exhausted. This device can be removed from the home electrical system to take on trips, camping. That is great for the libertarian. Check out the full tutorial on my blog or Reddit for more detailed instructions. The Ultimate Energizer Guide. This technology is essentially an improvement on the Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit, resulting in a unique version. The deep origin of the Ultimate Energizer generator traces back to Nikola Tesla's innovations. Tesla's invention of the bifilar coil and regulator for dynamo electrical machines is documented in the complete Ultimate Energizer Guide. The Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit, although capable of producing output energy greater than input energy, are primarily intended for free energy researchers. Those who demonstrate these circuits often do not share the secrets of generating electricity to power household appliances. The complete Ultimate Energizer Guide reveals the secrets of generating electricity using electronic components and coils, with power output depending on the system's expansion. This sets it apart from the Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit, which are commonly shared online. Moreover, the circuit described in the Ultimate Energizer Guide is unique and distinct from the Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit. The complete Ultimate Energizer Guide also includes many other instructions and hidden technologies that have been concealed for many years. This digital document is worthy of study and practical application. I recommend reading more reviews of the complete Ultimate Energizer Guide on my Ultimate Energizer Guide blog. Also, check out additional instructions for generating free electricity at home. Good luck!